Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to show you what are the new features of travel management app with new Spring 17 release. Our listing has been updated. If you go to App Exchange and look for travel management, you will see we got all new images there. Also, you will see under the details we have Spring version 1.10. There are few changes with this release that we have added based on customer feedback. If you go to our website, which is webider.com/travel management, here you will have a link to go to release notes, which will take you to this release notes page. Please pick the appropriate version that you are upgrading from, and we have the release note for each one of these. So please click on version 1.10. It will take you to this release notes page. Here you can see what are the new changes. The major changes are we have a new associated event object and the Visualforce page, and we introduced preview and export feature for the expense reporting. We also have listed all the post installation guide here for if you are upgrading from previous last 1.8 version or any other older version. We have respective documentation. The new travel request event associate event management page, it allows you to associate one or more existing events in your calendar or Salesforce calendar to the travel approval request. So you can say you have a meeting and you can associate those. That's this page does, and it can the Visualforce page, it works in Lightning, mobile, in all the places. Second feature that we have is we added a report preview and export feature. Once you're an expense report, you will be able to see a report preview in mobile, classic, and Lightning that will show you all the attachment, expense items, images, and allow you to export in PDF or print directly to the printer. So let me show you how it looks like on our page. So I have a travel request that I just created. For example, I'm going to travel to California for Trailhead DX between 7 to 11. I have associated my expenses. I have associated my account that I'm traveling with, associated contact, opportunity, and lead with respect to this travel approval. I have requested the approval from my CFO and my CEO, and total estimated cost, which is automatic calculated based on your estimated expense cost right here. Now you will see in previous release we added a button create expense report. I'll show you that later. Now this new related list that we have associated event, you will need to make sure if you are upgrading, the manual steps walk you through. You need to add this related list in your page layout. And also, so let's click on it and see what it does. I can say new associated event. It takes me to the Visualforce page, and here I can search for any event that I have. So if you see, I have meeting, event, demo, contact, and this, and these two I can select these two and I can associate these to my travel approval. I can submit these. Once I come back, these two are associated with my travel request. Okay? Now I can show you in Lightning and mobile, both of them. As you all know, this travel request in new status, one is approved. We also add an all-day event based on the travel date that you have into an event object calendar in Salesforce calendar. So let me submit this for approval and come back to you with showing how we can create expense report and preview the changes. So now my travel approval has been approved by my CEO and the CFO. You can see right here both is approved and my travel status has been sent to approve. Now what I can do is in one click, here you can see when we click approved, these were two events that we added and associated with our travel approval. This Trailhead DX event has been created and automatically associated with our travel approval. And here we have all the event created with all the in the description, all the travel request information is right there. So now in one click with create expense report, I can create an expense report that will automatically take all these expense items and create expense report for me. So here I have the expense report. It copied all the approvals, all the information. Now I can go and add the travel receipt and submit this. Since I have added the receipt, and I have added those, I can click on preview report, and it gave me a preview of my expense report with all the expense item summary and the total. And under expense detail, you can have one or more attachment or receipt with one expense. And here you can see I have two. I got for the transportation airfare, and also got the ticket receipt for the group by expense items, and we display all the receipt here. And for the second one, we can do this. You can click and open it up in a new window. You can click on the PDF, and we create the PDF summary that you can use to submit to your department, or you can click on this print link, which will open a printer window, and you can print this expense report. Everything that you see works in Lightning and mobile as well. As travel requests, you see associated events in the Lightning, and here the new action button that will take you same Visualforce page and allow you to associate different events. Come back. Similarly for the expense report, when you see, you need to make sure in the manual steps you need to add preview report and export PDF actions. In the page layout, we have in the related list all the expense items are listed here. You can use preview report button to preview this right in Lightning, and here we show you the preview of your expense report with all the expense items and receipt. You can click on print and send it to the printer, or export this to the PDF, and here we show you the PDF summary for expense report. That's all for today with the version 1.10. We have the release notes here that you can download, you can view, and also you can download the upgrade instruction. Please visit our Apex Chain listing, give us a review, give us the 5-star review if you like our app, and provide us the feedback. Thank you very much.